Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to follow the DUBIZZLE ad posting rules. As you can see, my ad is actually live right here, and I'll guide you on this. So if I click here on edit, you will notice the first thing I did. I have a clear title, nothing misleading. A lot of the times people get their ads rejected. They have a completely different title to what they're actually selling. If you are selling a car, make sure your title reflects that car and you have the correct category. Do not try to sell a car in the property category. Your ad will not get approved, plus you'll not even meet the right audience. Also, they do not let you have multiple listings in one ad. You need to separate all those listings. All those items need to be going on DUBIZZLE independently. If you make this mistake, it will result in a rejection of your ad, and you'll also not be eligible for a refund for any featured ads. And once you have posted your ad, you cannot just change the details of that specific ad. For example, putting another product's photos, completely unrelated product, on that same listing. You can also not sell any illegal items on DUBIZZLE. You're also not allowed to be misleading with your ad. You cannot just have an ad like this and then when someone reaches out to you, you tell them, oh, that was the deposit price. Just put the right price and the right information in your ad. Be honest in your ad. Okay, let me show you my ad. It goes a long way. If there's any problems, mention that in your ad and be transparent with everything. And finally, you're not allowed to have watermarks on your ads unless you own the license to that image, and you're not allowed to put ads with collages like this. So that is how to follow the DUBIZZLE ad posting rules.